Hi everyone, this is Wendy from Cutie Band Crafts, your Be Happy ambassador. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these really cute, fun, and easy to make faux leather cord organizers. They come really handy when keeping your cord tangle-free, plus they look so adorable. So, let's get started. Inspired by the 14 Handmade Gifts Challenge for Be Happy's 14th anniversary, I made 14 cord organizers with my Cricut Maker 3. I prepared 4 designs for this project. Let's use the bunny as an example. To start, open Design Space and click on Images. Search for a bunny head silhouette. Resize the design to about 1.75 to 2 inches wide. Then choose your preferred color. To add the snap hole, insert a small circle of 0.1 inch. Place it near the edge. Align it horizontally. Select everything, click Slice, and delete the extra pieces. Duplicate the design, then flip it vertically. For spacing, insert a square, use it as a guide, and set the length to 1.75 inches. Center your design. Adjust everything and align it horizontally. Then delete the guide. Select everything, click Combine, then Unite. You can follow the same steps for other designs. For the flower, I just added a small rectangle in the middle and also added an optional strap. Once you're happy with your designs, click Make. For materials, I'm using thick faux leather. The setting works best for me is the faux leather paper thin on default, but feel free to test what works for you. I'll be using a deep point blade. Even though the default shows fine point blade, it still cuts fine. And the reason I'm using a deep point blade is because it cuts better with thick faux leather. Now let's cut. Place the faux leather face down on a strong grip mat and tape the edges for extra hold. Make sure that the rollers are all the way to the side before feeding the mat. This is the real-time cutting speed, and the bare design only takes about 26 seconds. I'm using thick faux leather from Be Happy. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. Now it's done cutting, so let's remove it from the machine. Sometimes you might get slightly jagged cuts, but don't worry, it's an easy fix. Just grab a pair of scissors and trim off any rough edges. Now let's attach the snaps. I'm using a snap button pliers set from Be Happy. I'll link it in the description below. It comes with colorful snap buttons and all the tools you need. For the top part, take a snap piece with a pointy end and insert it into the hole. Then place the matching cap on top. Something that looks like this. Using the pliers, make sure the flat side is against the metal base. Then press firmly until it's secure. Now one side is done. For the other side, insert another pointy piece into the hole. Then pair it with a matching snap that looks like this. This one's different from the first set. Press firmly again with the pliers. Once both sides are done, snap them together and that's it. How cute is that? These are perfect for phone chargers, earphones, or any small cables. You can mix and match the shapes, colors. They're so fun to make. Even my kids love them. Totally perfect for gift giving. I hope you enjoyed making these adorable organizers with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until then, be crafty, be happy.